Job bar. Let's take a look at what can be accomplished using the job bar. The job bar is located along the top of the CAT editor. Its drop-down menu allows you to navigate between the documents that are attached to your current job. If you would like to quickly switch to a different document, simply click on the desired name and you'll be able to immediately view and work on it. The job name is also a clickable link that will navigate you to the job details page previously discussed. The job bar also gives you an overview of details related to the job, such as what task has been assigned, as well as what the current status of the job is. Clicking on the Status button opens the Job Status menu, where you have the ability to update the status as you work. At the top, this menu shows details like the language pairs, the supplier, and the deadline. You can toggle whether this section shows headings or not with the Fold Information pane button. There are a number of options when you want to change the status of this job. For jobs with the current status of in progress, you will have the option to change to work done. You can also just send a message without changing the status. This message will be sent to the project manager. If you have the required authorization, you may have other options by clicking on Select Another Action. For example, you may want to assign this job to someone else in your company directly. You can also choose the Leave Job to Someone Else in My Company option. This won't allow you to assign a specific supplier, but will let someone else take the job if they are available. Additionally, you can return the job if you or your company cannot complete the work. This is essentially declining the proposal after the fact. You can also enter a message with details as to why you're returning the job. In addition to managing the status, you can also view more details in this pane. This view contains the same information from the top of the menu, but also provides details like the project and job IDs. From the job bar at the top of the CAT editor, you can also switch between jobs if you are currently assigned more than one. This is very useful as you don't need to go back to the job's details page every time. You can also use the arrows on either side of the hamburger menu to step between the jobs. The editor will automatically reload with the newly selected job so you can return to work quickly. Because this job is in the proposal status, we can open the job status menu to accept or decline the job directly from the editor. This allows you to keep track of all the jobs you currently have in one place, thus saving you time.